Welcome to my channel. Let's cook this tasty concoction rice. Very simple concoction rice. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and subscribe. You can also leave a comment and click on the like button. I placed my pot on the fire and I added water. I added my roughly blended pepper to the water. I added my seasoning cubes and I also added my salt to the water on the fire. I forgot to mention that I added enough onions to the pepper before blending it roughly. So I added my vegetable oil to the water as well. And after I noticed the water is boiled, I added my pre-washed rice. After I added my pre-washed rice to the boiled water on the fire, I stirred the rice together. I stirred it and I covered it for some minutes. After the rice has been cooked for some minutes, I opened to check and I stirred it together again. And I also added my already washed momo, cow skin, and smoked fish. Kindly know that the smoked fish I have detached all the bones from the smoked fish and washed properly before I added it to the rice. I stirred it a little bit together because I wanted the momo and the smoked fish to steam together with the rice. So I stirred it and I covered it back to cook for some minutes again. After some minutes again, I checked back. I opened the pot and I realized water has dried up from the rice and I stirred everything together again. I reduced the heat from the fire and I covered back the rice for it to steam properly because there is still little amount of water from the rice. So, but the steaming process shouldn't require having much fire under the pot. So I tried to lower the fire and covered back my rice. I used to the face of our rice and how it looks. I called it a very simple tasty concoction rice because it doesn't require much ceremony or much ingredients. In fact, you can actually cook this with just 5k. Yes, and it's going to come out so perfect and so yummy. Now see the concoction rice after it has been plated. I've actually plated the food and see how the outcomes and see how it looks. It looks so perfect and it tastes so yummy. Let me know if you're going to be trying out this. You can just leave a comment for me and I will reply. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscription button and don't forget to hit on the likes button as well. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.